Hello guys, this is Ivan here. We are in live trading with Hybrid Master. So we have free trades with USD Canadian. Why? This is a good example that I show you that how many things you have in settings to obtain. One of these is max positions. So if you put one, you will have only one with one pair. But if you put free, it was free before, and it took free trades with USD Canadian. One by one, not at the same time. So 3 times it was all aligned, all filters, everything was okay, and it took a trade. This is confluence mode with 2 agreements to trade. We have 3 indicators inside 3 systems, and when at least 2 are in confluence, it will take a trade. I made a video about it. It is 3 are trendy trader. Then we have Omega Turbo Trader and Reactor and FX Scalper. So when all 3 are in confluence, or 2, or whatever you like, you see this is 3 inside. And you also can put here confluence only of 1, of 2, or of 3. When you have 3, the trade is more safe, highest rate, win rate, but not many trades. You see, now we get trade with Australian dollar. Let's see what we have here. I think that we have only one. I put only one just to show the trades. Usually I don't want to trade only with one confluence, minimum 2. It is what I need, that it is let's say higher time frame, but we'll see. So this is just little bit a review what we have here. Rubicon EA is also in trade here. V5 active. SCALPER Elite. This is Bitcoin settings, standard settings, and gold with special settings too. But there is no, we need this sell stop or buy stop to be touched. Only then the trade will be open. Reactor Scalper, a new version, V31 quality one. It is in live trade. So I don't know why this hasn't been activated. This is sell, sell trade. I have to change something. I cannot find stop loss here. It should be activated already. So this is about this is how with new products sometimes you have to change something to improve it. So I'm always improving. You see, it is already with 31 quality. Obviously I didn't put here a trailing stop. New X Turbo Trader optimized, Hunter Turbo Scalper, ADEX V4, USD JPY, what we had here, yes, we had arrow here. So, trendy trader, trading trend, this is trendy trader. So if you follow my channel, you would see that for this weekend we offer a special offer, 2 or 3 products, any expert advisors or indicators you choose, so 2 deals. For any 2 you pay only 89, for any 3 99. It is just explained in previous video more. And of course you will get for each product you like to buy, you will get such a manual, or what can it be called? For this is complete trading guide, yeah. This is complete trading guide. For example, I will show another. For example, this is for eScalper, new Elite V3, for gold only. You see everything you will see here. How to install, chart settings, everything. Risk management. You will have, guys, to take 10-15 minutes to read this and to make it that work for you as you want. This is also confluence scoring system of 7. So you need 7 things to be, for example, for gold, to be aligned that it will open the trade. For now, it will not open. We need sell here, not buy. Yeah. So it was just a little review of what is happening on Friday. Of course, we have you have protection of your account everywhere. Let's see, core settings. You see Omega, Scalper, Trendy are here. Trade management, partition close, break even, alerts, trailing stop, risk 5%, max risk 5%, then the trading will be stopped. So let's see other. This is ADEX indicator and expert advisor. Also, so many confirmations, filters, even higher time frame confirmation, high Kanashi, quality signals 80%. So you must have from 0 to 180% filter confirmations to open the trade. So every spread guard you have for every product, really, guys, very detailed trading guide that will help you to adjust your system to work to you, depending what time frame pairs you are looking for, what you see, sessions Do you want to avoid news? Let's say. So this is very, very detailed, and everybody can find own settings, risk, everything for any product. So this weekend, 2 for 89, any product, EA or indicator, or free for 99. Have a nice day, guys.